Alright, you diesel mechanics, this is a early 99 7.3 power stroke 4x4 1 ton. It's got 143 on it with an automatic. When I first got this truck, it'd tow a skid steer like nothing, and now after about 2 mechanics and $4,000, it still runs bad and it just chokes itself out if you go up a hill and really put a load on it. The first guy put an exhaust on it, turbo back, straight piped it, and when you got to go through residential neighborhood, that's not too good all the time. And then we took it to Ford and they replaced the injection drive module, 5 injectors, all O-rings on the injectors, and charged us about $3,000 for that. And they did a cylinder balance test right before they gave it back, and they said 5 and 8 are still misfiring, but they said those are some of the cylinders they replaced the injector on. And they kind of shrugged their shoulders and pushed us out the door, but I'll show you what it does when it runs. You probably can't see it. This truck just shakes aggressively. You could just tell it's not running right. Especially at highway speeds, it just doesn't have power. It's just shaking really aggressively right now. And I mean, it probably sounds pretty good to you, but if you were here, you'd feel it. At highway speeds, it just starts kind of running rough and the whole truck starts shaking. I've replaced the camshaft position sensor, and I popped off the injection control pressure quick connect up there, and this runs rough after I pop that off too. So I don't know, any advice would be helpful.